Hi guys, in this session I will discuss various methods of integration. So let us start today's session. Methods of integration. First, integration by substitution. Second, integration by parts. Third, integration of rational functions using partial fractions. These two, second and third method, we will study later on. So let us start with integration by substitution. So if we have a function integrand like this, f dash x upon fx dx. In this case, we take the denominator, let fx is equal to t, and if we differentiate both sides with respect to x, then f dash x dx is equal to dt. Differentiating, if we differentiate t with respect to a dt over dx is equal to f dash x, or we can say f dash x dx is equal to dt. Now replacing f dash x dx by dt in the original integrand, dt over t, which gives us log of mod t plus c, and the value of t is fx. So log of fx plus c, log of mod fx plus c. So in this lecture I will discuss integration by substitutions. So let us discuss this form, in which the integral is of the form f dash x upon fx dx. In this integral, let fx is equal to t. Now differentiating, on differentiating we get f dash x dx is equal to dt. F dash x dx will be replaced in the original integral, it will be replaced by dt. So we get dt upon t, which is equal to log of mod t plus c. Now putting putting the value of t, which is equal to fx, so log of mod fx plus c. So today I will discuss some standard functions having this form. So let us start with the integral of tan x. Tan x integration of tan x dx. Integration of tan x, I can write this tan x as sin x upon cos x. Now the differential of the denominator is available here. So let cos x is equal to t. So if we differentiate it, then the differential of cos x with respect to x is minus sin x. Minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now this sin x dx can be replaced by minus dt. So I can write this is equal to minus dt upon t, and which is equal to minus log t mod t plus c, and the value of t is here cos x. So this is equal to minus log mod cos x plus c, or if I bring this minus sign here, then log of cos x raised to the power minus 1 plus c, which is equal to log of 1 upon cos x, and log of 1 upon cos x means log of sec x, log of mod sec x plus c. So the integration of tan x is equal to tan x dx equal to log of sec x plus c. Now let us discuss the next integral, integration of cot x, which is in the form of f dash x upon fx. So integration of cot x dx is equal to integration of cos x upon sin x dx. Now the differential of sin x is available in the numerator. So let sin x is equal to t. If we take sin x is equal to t, now differentiating both sides, differentiating sin x with respect to x, that is cos x, and dx is equal to dt. Now cos x dx can be replaced by dt upon t. So which is equal to log of mod t plus c. Log of t is sin x, so log of mod sin x plus c. So the integration of cot x is equal to log of mod sin x plus c. Now let us discuss some more standard integrals using this concept. So integration of sec x dx. For this integral we have a special technique. So multiply by sec x plus tan x and divide by sec x plus tan x. So if we multiply this function by sec x plus tan x and divide by sec x plus tan x, by doing this we are making the differential of the denominator available in the numerator. So if we see that the differential of sec x, that is sec x tan x, is there, and the differential of tan x, which is sec square x, is there. So the differential of sec x plus tan x is now available in the numerator. We can write this is equal to integration sec square x plus sec x tan x dx upon sec x plus tan x. Now we put let sec x plus tan x is equal to t. So if we take let sec x plus tan x is equal to t. Now differentiating both sides with both sides, say the differentiation of sec x plus tan x is equal to dt. Now differentiating this with respect to x, we get sec x tan x plus sec square x, and we have differentiated with respect to x, so dx is equal to dt. This sec x tan x plus sec square x dx is available in the numerator, so we can replace it by dt. So dt upon t, which gives us log mod t, integral of dt upon t, plus c, which is equal to log mod sec x plus tan x plus c. This formula can further be simplified, and I can write log of sec x is 1 upon cos x plus tan x is sin x upon cos x, which is equal to log of 1 plus sin x upon cos x. And on further simplification, this reduces to log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. So the integration of sec x dx is equal to log sec x plus tan x is the first form, and the second form is log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, which is obtained by simplifying this, bringing it in the cos form, and then bringing it the denominator in the sin form and simplifying, we get log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So either we can use this formula log sec x plus tan x, or we can use log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Next, by using this concept, we can find the integral of cosec x. So integration of cosec x dx is equal to integral cosec x multiplying by cosec x minus cot x and dividing by cosec x minus cot x. By doing this, the differential of cosec x minus cot x can be made available in the numerator. Multiplying by cosec x minus cot x, now this numerator is cosec x square x minus cosec x cot x, which is the differential of the denominator, because differential of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x and differentiation of minus cot x is cosec square x. So let cosec x minus cot x is equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, differentiation of cosec x minus cot x is differentiation of t. Now differentiation of cosec x minus cot x is cosec minus cosec x cot x and plus differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x, because negative sign is there, so plus cosec square x, because we have differentiated with respect to x, so dx is equal to dt. Now here we can replace cosec square x minus cosec x cot x by dt. So this is equal to integration of dt upon t, and which is equal to log of mod t plus c, and the value of t is cosec x minus cot x. So I can write here log of mod cosec x minus cot x plus c, which on further simplification by trigonometry can be reduced to log mod tan x by 2 plus c. So either we can use this formula log mod cosec x minus cot x or log tan x by 2 plus c for the integral of cosec x. Now I will discuss some questions based on the formulas of integration tan x dx, cot x, integral of sec x and integration of cosec x. So let us start with this question number 1, sin x upon sin x minus a. So here the denominator, we need to remove this denominator which is in this expanded form sin x minus a. So let us take, let x minus a is equal to t. Now if we differentiate both sides, then we get dx is equal to dt. Differentiating x with respect to x, that is 1, and then putting dx sign, and differentiating t with respect to t, that is 1, and then putting dt. So dx is equal to dt. So if I replace here, then the value of x is equal to a plus t. So here we can replace, this is equal to sine of a plus t upon sine t, and dx is replaced by dt. Now sin a plus t can be written as, using the sin a plus b formula, sin a cos t plus cos a sin t divided by sin t dt. Now dividing separately by sin t, if we divide this numerator by sin t, then we get integration of sin a, and cos t divided by sin t is cot t plus dt plus integration of, here if we divide by sin t get cancelled, cos a dt. Now in these two integrals, sin a is a constant, so I can take sin a as common, and integration of cot t dt plus, here I can take cos a as common, integration of 1 dt, and sin a, as in this lecture I have told you the formula of cot t, cot x is equal to log mod sin t plus cos a, and the integral of 1 with respect to t is t plus c. Now putting the values, sin a log of mod sin t is equal to x minus a. So log sin x minus a mod plus t is x minus a cos a plus c. Further, this a cos a can be treated as a constant, so I can write this is equal to sin a log mod sin x minus a plus x cos a plus a new constant c dash. So this is the solution of the question. Next question, integration of 1 upon sin x minus a cos x minus b. This question has a special technique. If you have sin cos form or if you have sin cos form, then multiply by cos a minus b, and if you have sin or cos form, then multiply by sin a minus b. So if we multiply here by cos a minus b and dividing by cos a minus b, so multiply here by cos a minus b and again multiplying in the numerator by cos a minus b, sin of x minus a cos of x minus b dx. Now this cos a minus b can be written as cos of a minus b. This integral cos a minus b I can write as x minus b minus x minus a. So if you simplify it, you get cos a minus b upon sin of x minus a cos of x minus b dx. Now using the formula of cos a minus b, we can expand the numerator, which is equal to 1 upon cos a minus b into, here in the numerator we can use the formula of cos a minus b, which is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So I can write this as cos x minus a cos x minus b plus sin x minus a sin x minus b. Upon sin x minus a cos x minus b. dx. Now if we separate the terms here, then cos x minus b get cancelled and we get 1 upon cos a minus b outside, then integral of this cos theta upon sin theta is cot x minus a dx plus integral of, if we divide here, then sin x minus a and sin x minus a is cancelled and we get sin upon cos, that is tan x minus b dx. Now this cot x minus a, using the formula of cot x, is equal to 1 upon cos a minus b, and this is equal to log mod sin of x minus a plus this cot of tan of x minus b is equal to, we can write this is equal to minus log cos x, that is cos mod cos x minus b plus we can write here plus c. Now this can be further simplified as 1 upon cos a minus b, and we can write log m minus log n is equal to log of m upon n, that is mod sin x minus a upon cos x minus b plus c. So this is the final solution of the question. Next question, integration of tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x. And you can see the question is in the multiple form. So right now we are not in a position to integrate it. So let us bring it in the plus or minus form. As you all know, the trigonometric formula tan 3x can be splitted as tan of 2x plus x. Now using the formula of tan a plus b, I can write this as tan a plus tan b upon, that is tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. Tan 3x is equal to, now by cross multiplication we have here tan 3x minus tan 2x, tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 2x. If we write this here, tan 2x plus tan x by cross multiplication. Now this tan 3x plus tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x is equal to this, bringing to the right hand side. So we can write this is equal to tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x. Now this multiple form has been converted into minus form. So we can replace this tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x by tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. So this integral now reduces to integration of tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Now it can be integrated. First integration of tan 3x, separating the three integrals dx, minus integration of tan 2x dx minus integration of tan x dx, which is equal to, if we have a multiple in the angle, then we divide. In the differentiation we multiply by 3. So in the case of integration, if we have a multiple in the angle, then we can write this is equal to log of mod sec 3x and then 1 by 3, then minus 1 by 2 log mod sec 2x minus integration of tan x is more minus log mod sec x and then plus c. So this is the final answer of the question. Next question, integration of sin x plus a upon sin x plus b dx. So first let us simplify the denominator by taking let x plus b is equal to t. On differentiating both sides, if we differentiate, then dx is equal to dt. And this gives us x is equal to t minus b. So putting x is equal to t minus b in the numerator, we get sine of t minus b plus a upon sine t dt. Now I can write this is equal to sine of t plus a minus b upon sine t dt. And here we will use the formula of sine a plus b. Using that formula, I can write sine t cos of a minus b plus cos t sine of a minus b divided by sine t dt. Now separately dividing by sine t, if we divide by sine t, then cos of a minus b into tan t dt plus integration of this, if I divide here, then cos t upon sin t is cot t sin a minus b cot t dt. Now this cos a minus b is a constant, so it can be taken out of the integral. Cos of a minus b integration of tan t dt plus sin a minus b is a constant, so integration of cot t dt. Now integration of tan t is log sec t, so I can write cos of a minus b log mod sec t plus sin of a minus b log mod sin t plus c. Now the value of t, which is equal to x plus b, can be substituted here. So we get this is equal to cos of a minus b log of sec, and the value of t is x plus b plus sin of a minus b log of sin x plus b plus c. So this is the final answer of this question. So with this question I conclude this session. Like and subscribe my channel for new videos and press the bell icon. Thank you, students.